So if you snore or if you have sleep apnea, there's a new treatment. It could help folks breathe a lot easier. Dilbert Henry has this.
That's right, Mia and David. A lot of people have both the snoring and the sleep apnea. Ugh. An estimated 60% of the adult population over age 40 snores, and heavy snores often have sleep apnea. Many people don't stick with the treatment, which is often a large mouth guard or uncomfortable mask. But a new device is helping people to get a good night's sleep. Life as a snorer, or someone who lives with one, can be, well, exhausting. Something Harvey Carl knows all too well.
My snoring was bad enough that my wife had threatened me with divorce or another bedroom.
And he also has sleep apnea. Same story for William Strimmel.
I'm sleepy all day, and then at night I'd crash sleep about 6, 7 o'clock, and I'd sleep for 12, 13 hours. And I'd wake up and I'm just as tired as I was before. My friends would call me and say, hey, you want to go to the Dodger game? And I go, no, I'll be asleep by the 3rd inning.
His sleep apnea was considered severe. Tests showed William stopped breathing 114 times a night. For Harvey, 55 times a night. Like many people, they tried what's called CPAP. It's a device that looks like an oxygen mask you wear while sleeping. Considered very effective, but
It was just impossible. Wasn't comfortable. Couldn't find a position.
I tried it with one place, couldn't tolerate it. I tried it in another place, I couldn't tolerate it.
But Tarzana dentist Dr. Brian Karopian says no one should just live with sleep apnea because its effects can be devastating since you're not getting enough oxygen through the night.
The tongue goes backwards, blocks the airway, and blocks it for 10 seconds up to 90 seconds.
That's why he developed this FDA-approved device.
It's small, it's comfortable.
It's called the Full Breath Solution.
This is a model of the upper teeth, and it fits right on it very simply, very easily.
The bar in the middle restrains the tongue during sleep, preventing it from blocking the airway. This x-ray shows a patient without the device. You can see the constricted airway here. And this is the same patient wearing the device. The airway just about doubles in size. Patients say that stops their snoring and helps their sleep apnea.
Now I'm going to like Dodger games, and last night I went to a birthday party.
No more sleeping on the couch.
No more sleeping on the couch. Good times again.